Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to temporarily disable your Instagram account. So let's get into it. First of all, open your Instagram account. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Tap on the menu icon and then select Settings. Now tap Help and then tap on the Help Center. You will now be redirected to a new page. Tap on the menu icon in the top right corner and select Manage Your Account. Then select Delete Your Account. Click on Delete Your Instagram account. Now here, you can see Delete Your Account. Tap on it. And once you are in, click on Temporarily Disable option. Then select any of the reason from here. Enter your Instagram password and tap on Temporarily Disable Account. Doing so will deactivate your account and sign you out of Instagram on all of your linked devices. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.